Welcome to Vancouver, a place where snowy mountain peaks meet the deep blue Pacific Ocean. From world-famous film sets to incredible outdoor adventures, Vancouver isn't just another city, it's a lifestyle. Stick around because today we're diving into everything that makes Vancouver truly unforgettable. Did you know that Vancouver is consistently ranked among the top 5 most livable cities in the world? One of the biggest reasons is its spectacular natural setting. On one side, you have the North Shore Mountains, perfect for skiing, hiking, and breathtaking views. On the other side, the Pacific Ocean, where you can kayak or watch whales right from the shore. And right in the heart of the city is Stanley Park, larger than New York's Central Park, offering 400 hectares of green space. This combination of urban life and untouched nature is what locals call the Vancouver Advantage. Vancouver is one of Canada's most diverse cities. Nearly half of its residents were born outside Canada, creating a rich blend of cultures, languages, and cuisines. You'll find everything from authentic Chinese dim sum in Richmond to incredible Indian curries on Main Street. Every year, the city hosts events like the Vancouver International Film Festival, the Celebration of Light Fireworks Show, and the Chinese New Year Parade. This multicultural spirit is woven into the fabric of daily life. Ever heard of Hollywood North? That's Vancouver. The city is the third largest film production hub in North America, just after Los Angeles and New York. Hit shows like Riverdale, The Flash, and Supernatural were all filmed here. Movie studios love Vancouver for its stunning scenery and modern infrastructure. So don't be surprised if you spot film crews blocking off entire streets. It's just another day in this cinematic city. If you've heard about Vancouver's weather, you probably know it rains a lot, sometimes over 160 days per year. But locals embrace the drizzle with stylish rain jackets and a hot cup of coffee. And when summer arrives, Vancouver transforms into an outdoor paradise with festivals, beaches, and patios full of people soaking up the sun. This mix of moody winters and glorious summers gives the city its unique character, cozy and vibrant all at once. Vancouver is more than just a city. It's a place where nature, culture, and innovation come together to create something truly extraordinary. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments. Have you ever been to Vancouver? Or is it on your travel bucket list? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next city adventure.